edition of PhonePe Bengaluru Midnight Marathon 2025 *, proudly dedicated to the Indian Armed Forces *, to be held on Saturday, 6 December 2025 Vertical Bar KTPO, Whitefield *, Bengaluru, Thursday, 23rd October 2025, the PhonePe Bengaluru Midnight Marathon, BMM, powered by Mana Group, is the world's first night Rotary Bangalore IT Corridor, RBTTC. The 18th edition of this iconic event will be held on Saturday, 6 December 2025, at KTPO, Whitefield. We proudly dedicate this year's BMM 2025 to the Indian Armed Forces and celebrate the unwavering courage and commitment of the women and men who protect the nation's borders. Every stride our runners take in the marathon this year will be a tribute to their sacrifice, a salute to unity, resilience, and national pride. Stride in this honor run is more than just a race, it's a salute. They run through sleepless nights, across rugged borders, and into uncertain tomorrows so our everyday lives can run smoothly. Today, as we lace up and take to the track, every heartbeat echoes our gratitude for those who defend, endure, and keep India running strong. So just run. Bengaluru Midnight Marathon has been gaining tremendous momentum year after year, with registrations for 2025 touching 30% higher than previous editions. More than 12,000 runners including armed forces personnel, athletes, corporates, NGOs and international participants are expected to participate in what has become a fixture on the city's calendar. Major General V.T. Matthew, AVSM, YSM, General Officer Commanding, GOC, Karnataka and Kerala Sub-Area, Indian Army, unveiled the theme for Bengaluru Midnight Marathon 2025 and said, "The armed forces have always believed that physical fitness is not just a routine, but a way of life, a reflection of discipline, endurance, and commitment to excellence." This midnight marathon is a symbol of unity, strength, and shared purpose. Through this initiative, we reaffirm our dedication to fostering a culture of fitness and resilience among citizens of our great nation. He further added, "Our soldiers train daily in the toughest terrains and conditions, driven..."
On that actually, because I'm sure if you have some kind of a run or a walk or something like that, I don't know, probably the Rotary Bengaluru IT Corridor is the best to chart out a program for Rotarians, 7,000 Rotarians. Let's work on that in a couple of days. My compliments to the charter member of Rotary Bengaluru IT Corridor, sir is sitting here today. I'm so happy that, Rotary Bengaluru IT Corridor out of 90 clubs is a very unique club. Unique club in many aspects that, they adapted to the changing world. That's what is, we cannot think about tomorrow's Rotary by, thinking about yesterday's vision. So I'm so happy that Rotary Bengaluru IT Corridor coming out with a very unique events year on year. I wish all the best for 18th Bengaluru Midnight Marathon. Thank you very much.
Consecutive years. So, as a hospital, we always want to build a disease-free society, for which event like this is always extremely helpful, because studies have, studies has proved that running, running is the only way, in fact, where you can prevent the health issues like cardiac issues, neurological issues. So I'm sure through this event, it will be helpful for most of the people who want to begin their fitness journey. So I wish this event to be extremely successful, and once again we are happy and proud to be associated with Bengaluru Midnight Marathon. Yeah, thank you.
Come to them, because as you know, the world faces a problem now. The foremost problem that the world is facing is related to health, and running is the best way for you all to take things forward in life. Bangalore is known as the capital of running in India, and we have to thank the many race organizers and, more importantly, the different running clubs that are there. many of them are here to support us. Thank you so much.
And you can actually run for fun. And people are overwhelmingly participating in this event, these events across the country. And it is not just a physical fitness movement, it's also a social movement. And I would wish all success to the organizers of this event. And where else but Bengaluru to conduct a midnight run? Like my children keep reminding me, nothing happens in Bengaluru before 11 o'clock. So I am sure, so I would have been surprised if Bengaluru did not have a midnight run as well. But you'll have to, I am sure, negotiate all the party goers who are also out at the same time. Possibly an early morning run would encounter less traffic and lesser people. But thank you for, making armed forces and honoring the armed forces as a theme in this year's event. Armed forces is always proud to be associated with any event that promotes physical fitness and sports. And we on our own in Bengaluru, we have been associated, we've been hosting the TCS Half Marathon for the past couple of years. And in fact, we also conducted the Shaurya Veer Run in just last Sunday in honor of our Infantry Day. Infantry Day is celebrated on 27th, that is next Monday, in honor of the first troops landing in Kashmir. So that is on the 27th of October. And for that, we conducted the last run on Sunday, previous Sunday. And I was so, it was heartening to notice the participation. There were large number of people who were over 80 and 90. There was a 93-year-old gentleman who was running and or walking, let's say, but participating enthusiastically. Number of ladies running in saris, and the lady who got the second prize, the silver medal, above 40, was a homemaker. She knew only Kannada, and she told me that she has been running and she's been running so well. So I'm saying this is a movement, and I see on Kavan Road where my office is, in the morning, early morning, you find a number of ladies who are in saris, wearing sneakers and running on the road. If this is the movement that that can actually revolutionize not just our physical fitness but households as well. And I congratulate everyone who is involved in such events.
Ms. Sushnita, and I'm the chairperson of this year's Bengaluru PhonePe Bengaluru Midnight Marathon. Bengaluru, the BMM as we call it, has now come of age. It is in its 18th year, and we are very proud to be associated and dedicate this marathon to the armed forces this year. That is going to be our special theme. It's a thank you to the nation's heroes who are working tirelessly to keep us safe. And it's an event, it's a very unique run, because one is it's the first night run in the world, and it happened here in Bangalore 18 years ago. It's not just a run. We have about 11,000 runners last year. This year we will have about 13,500 plus. It's not just a run, because when it's not just a marathon. There are many races, starting from a fun 5K to a full marathon, and people can run whichever race they are comfortable. There are very many people who want to start running, who will start with the 5K, and then there are of course the full marathoners, where we have people from all over the world come and participate. And after that, there is live music, there are food courts, so it's like an all-night carnival which people can enjoy after their run. Runners' families are invited, and it's generally it's a very unique experience, and I would like all of Bangalore